and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. I wanted to briefly go over some of our upcoming training courses. In just about a week and a half, we're going to be in Branson, Missouri for our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants on August 7th and 8th. It is not too late to sign up and reserve your spot, so if you have it in your schedule, please give us a call. After Branson, we're going to be back here in Buffalo on September 18th and 19th for an intro course. Then we'll be down in Florida in Palm Beach Gardens at the PGA National Resort, and that's on October 2nd and 3rd. We are super excited for that event as well. To wrap up the year, we're going to be back in Buffalo in November for our 3-day advanced course with Dr. Gordon Christensen. That course is almost sold out, so please give us a call and reserve your seat for the November advanced course. Thank you. We'll see you next week.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and we're here live doing a procedure at one of our advanced courses here in Buffalo. We've got about 80 doctors visiting from out of town. We actually had a snowstorm this weekend, so some of them had to leave early, but right now we're finishing up a procedure. We just placed 4 mini implants on the lower right quadrant, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how we make our Temporaries chairside on mini implants very quickly and easily. So here's our implants, and what I'll use is some healing caps. So these are our healing caps, and these snap right onto the implant. So we snap those on. We'll snap one onto the mesial implant. We'll put one on the distal one, and we'll see if I can put one more on in the middle one, in the middle mesial one, and then we'll put a shim on that other one. So the one here, there's not going to be room for a healing cap, but I'll just put a shim on there. So we'll do that. Can you all see that okay, Joe?
Yeah, buddy.
So we have 3 healing caps and 1 blockout shim. Now I'm going to show you how I make my temporary. What I do is take bulk fill composite in a tube, and I take enough for each tooth, and I make a little ball out of it, and I just form it over the tooth. What shade is this?
A2.
A2, okay. It was plastic, yeah. I've got my 2 wonderful assistants here, Sunny and Katie, helping me. 2 of them are wonderful. I have a lot of wonderful assistants, but 2 of them are helping me here. Sunny's been with us about 10 years, I think. Right? Mm-hmm. Bite together for me. Open. So we just form that into the shape of the tooth. In this case, a canine. And bite together. Okay, open, cure that one. And that'll bond right over the healing cap. Then we'll go to the next tooth, and I'll do the same thing. We may need a little more, we'll see. But let's see how that does. So there's a bicuspid. Okay, bite again. Open. We don't have to make everything perfect. This is just a temporary. So, okay, go ahead and cure that. And one more, a little bit more composite for the last tooth. Buy yourself the least expensive bulk fill composite you can buy. This is not cheap. This is from Ivoclar, but just buy the cheapest brand. It doesn't matter. These are just temporaries. You don't have to use the best, and we're spending too much for this material. You can get Benco brand or whatever brand you want for this type of use. And we'll just form one more tooth. And bite together. Go ahead and cure that. We get a post-op x-ray so we can show it to them. Let me add a little bit, tiny bit in the inside here.
You want me to do it?
You probably can see it better than I can. Do I have it? Let me see. Turn toward me a little bit.
Throwing her thumbs up.
Okay. All right. So here's our temporary. Looks pretty good, right? Bite together. It's out of occlusion. We'll check it just to be safe. But I think it's out of occlusion. You notice I had them bite together before I cured it. Open and bite. Open. It's hitting a little bit on that distal, so we'll just adjust that a little bit. Bite again. Open. Okay. Thank you for being here on this Monday Morning Minute and learning how to do 4 lower mini implants and a 3-unit temporary bridge. And the next time he comes in, he'll get his permanent teeth. We'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.